All right, y'all, it's day 6 of my midlife glow up. I have not done any of my house cleaning today, but I do go to the gym, and that is important. So since January, I have been working out every single day. I just have a Planet Fitness membership, so I just do the more expensive one because they got like massage beds. So that it's great. I have had multiple people ask me, like, what the heck do you even do when you go to the gym? I can get that it can be an intimidating place. So one tool that I was going to talk about real quick that I have been using since January is this. It's a weightlifting journal from Habit Nest. I got mine on Amazon. I'm going to see if I can find a link to it. If you've been ever interested in like trying to do gym workouts but aren't sure what to do, this book literally has workouts inside. If you don't know how to use the machines, there's literally a QR code. You can watch somebody use the machine before you go to the gym so you know what to do. This has kept me so consistent for so long. Every week there's also these little like body weight workouts. So it's workouts that you can do at home if you don't want to go to the gym. So anyway, this is super helpful if you're like, yeah, I'm wanting to start a glow up of my own. I got to get fit, or I just need to be at least a little bit healthier. This book is super cool. It wasn't that expensive. I'll try to find a link for it. I realized that the little booklet I made where you can write down all the different things you want to do for a glow up isn't super helpful. I decided, I think tomorrow what I'm going to do is make a little worksheet of just like 30 things you can do, like one little thing a day that you could do to do just like one little glow up, check it off, move on to the next day so that we can kind of work on the same things together. I thought that might be fun. My plan is to hopefully work on that tomorrow morning and put it up, and we can start working on that and get a little more focused. Maybe you want to get healthier. Maybe you want your house to be cleaner. Maybe you want to dress different. You know, maybe you want your relationships to be better. There's a lot of different kinds of glow ups. So tomorrow, that's what I'm planning on sharing. See you guys tomorrow for day 7. Thanks for being here.